Hi, my friends. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I'm your friend Rani Subramani, and I hope all are safe and doing great. Once again, I brought for you the latest exclusive premium collections from the premium counter for the Kesaria Manufacturers, the cotton blended, digital cotton, Khadi cotton, many more varieties of this manufacturers has brought the new launch varieties where I just want to share with you people. So resellers, retailers, boutique retailers, get alert, and before getting out of stock these collections, please add into your business to make your customer happy and make your business profitable and satisfy your customers with new latest launch varieties. Yes, I just want to show you the collections with the 12 set of collections with different color, different design, and same similar color with 6 set of collections. The friendly budget varieties, the South traditional touch for the festival base every woman likes, but in one set you're getting 12 colors, 12 different designs, but only one Patu Mahalakshmi border. Let's start. So one of the golden yellow color, beautiful. Every saree you can find out different colors. Here is a one pattern. Next color also you can see the dark Mehndi green, dark green, which touched with the golden creamish color border. Mushroom pattern floral with a light peacock blue with a gray color finishing. Now I'll show you all the three varieties are different, but it is a total 12 set of colors. Now I'll show you different colors remaining color charts. One of this is a beautiful pinkish with light rose milk color, which comes with like this, and with again light gray with lotus flower. And every saree you will find out the Patu border combination with the gray color. This is also with yellow pattern with the color combinations. Next, with the half white, you can see the different colorful flower garden, which every color you will find out this pattern. And coming with the Patu border, you will see the beige green with the dark cream color, new unique floral. Stylish and stunning peach pink with the rose milk with the gray color finishing. You will get this is a pattern. Every saree is having a different designs of color charts. But I'll tell you, these are the profitable color charts which every woman expects. These kind of collections with the one of the light brown shade, you can see the butterfly floral base, the unique floral print, and coming with the light dark magenta border, and one of the light lavender or light onion pink, which comes with the caramel color borders highlighted with Patu border, again with the lemon yellow, unique different mixed flower. So totally this is a 12 set of colors with different design and different color. Coming to Khadi cotton, which traditional touch meets in one saree, mild color. I mean to say pastel English colors. Nowadays, these sarees are very trending even in the online business stores also. So you can also find out, coming to the pattern where you can see the onion pink with mild maroon color. You can see the kalamkari, the print, and mild thread work. You can see the maroon color flower, hand work, and mild golden zari border. The thread tassel which comes like this is the pattern. If I talk about the next color chart, which is one of the Mehndi green color, the fancy handloom tassels, mild dotted printed with the kalamkari border, again the zari borders. In this total 6 colors, I'll just show you the gray color with zari border, gray, and you'll get the dark gray thread work, and the thread tassels also you can see over here. Next color, which is light, which goes with the military green color combination, the color charts. So this is one of the pattern. You can see the zari border. Coming to one of the dark onion pink, you can see over here, this is the pattern, and this is the zari border. Every saree is having a zari borders, which is a coffee brown with handloom, mild coffee brown or dark mild brownish shade. So this is a 6 set of colors. Today I've showed you 6 set of khadi cotton with kalamkari, and this is the pattern of the digital printed with Mahalakshmi Patu border sarees. Yes, my friends, to know the budget, to know the actual price, please take a screenshot. In every video I just share the approximate price. Today I have not shared the prices, but just tell me which saree, which pattern you liked it. Let me know in the comments, and hurry up, alert, visit purchase is must when you are coming to season purchase. Yes, Doriwala Square building opposite to Surat Railway Station. From station it takes 3 minutes walkable distance, and from airport it takes just half an hour. So visit Kesaria Manufactures. If you couldn't travel even from out of India, you can please for 1 lakh Indian currency amount, and pan India you have a 20,000 minimum placing order by COD options. We are providing you the services. Don't worry about safety and security, where the manufacturers are giving you with all the services smoothly. You can have experience by placing an order. Next video will come up with new more collections. Keep supporting. Until then, take care. Bye bye.